पैंट उतार। अच्छा, तो ऐसा नहीं सुनेगा, हाँ? गीली पैंट नहीं पहनती बच्चों। चल उतार।
So, why is nobody talking about bullying? According to a study done by the UNICEF, about 36% of Indian students are subjected to some form of bullying or harassment on their campuses and schools. कैंपस में एक पोस्टर लगवा देना, कोई फॉर्म भरवा देना या एक एंटी रैगिंग कमेटी बना देना और किसी टीचर को इंचार्ज बना देना, आर दीज ऑल स्टेप्स रियली दैट इफेक्टिव? I don't think so. That's slightly higher than what the UNICEF says is the global average, where at least 1 in 3 students aged between 13 to 15 have experienced bullying. This requires serious attention. Now, who is a bully? A bully is any person who uses power to hurt or frighten a person who might be weaker than him. A weaker person may be anybody who is either physically, financially, or socially weaker. They might not have the kind of backing or support which other individuals might enjoy. Now, why does one choose to bully somebody else? This can stem from the fact that they want attention. Attention in the form of controlling other people or wanting them to dance to their tunes. Bullying may also give them a feeling of euphoria of being powerful. This euphoria is mediated by the reward pathway of the brain, pretty much similar to addictions. If this bullying is not checked well in time, it can have dire consequences. Consequences in the form of financial losses, loss of life, or even breach of law. The signs of a person turning into a bully can be spotted from a very young age. These include anger issues. Here, the person loses his cool over trivial reasons and tends to react in a very violent or aggressive manner. Second, ego issues. Here, the individual might tend to oppose people in authority, like teachers at school, parents at home, and they tend to oppose and defy whatever orders or rules are being laid down at home or in the school. Third, excitement by breaching law or flaunting rules. Here, the person gains a lot of pleasure and excitement by stepping over the line. Fourth, revengeful attitude. People often hold vengeance in their mind and tend to react in a very violent and aggressive manner when somebody tries to oppose or correct them. Some other signs include excessive greed, lust, and other hazardous behavioral issues, which may be a problem if not kept in check. Now, how can we deal with this problem of bullying? The answer lies in the famous line where prevention is better than cure. A system of punishment and reward can be put in place. Here, the good behavior can be rewarded while the bad behavior can be punished. This will help to deter the wrong behavior and to encourage the right and the correct behavior. So, all you guys out there, if you feel that you are being bullied by anybody, be it your friends, your seniors, your relatives, in this day and age, please reach out digitally, drop a message, call someone, drop a mail to the helpline, and reach out for help. All of us are here for you all. So be kind towards your mind.